Hi everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessie and I'm so happy that you guys have joined me today. Today's video is going to be a review about the Smashbox, the Cali Contour Shape Bronze and Glow Palette. So if you guys want to know my thoughts about this product, then please keep on watching. Who's calling me? Like, hello? Wrong number. Okay. So moving on, so this is what the palette looks like. Actually, I'm just showing you guys the box packaging. You will be getting like a lot of product in this palette, and for $39, I think that is such a steal. I actually decided to bring this with me on my almost like 1 week trip, so I pretty much guarantee to you guys that I have been using it consistently and I can let you guys know what I feel about it. When you open it up, this is what the packaging looks like. So you will be getting like an image of what you are going to get. I like the fact that even though this is made, like the outer is like made out of cardboard plastic, I guess, and the inner has like a frame of plastic. I like it because it does not feel cheap. Because I know like a lot of prestige brands out there, their whole packaging is just made out of cardboard and it doesn't even include any mirror. This one has a decent sized mirror. Actually, it's pretty large. It's almost like the same as the palette, and these are your products. So you have your bronzers right over here, the blush. I'm absolutely so obsessed with this blush because it actually reminded me of my favorite from Lancome, which is the Shimmer Mocha Havana. It gives me the same exact vibe, but it does not have any shimmer, so I don't really have any problems with that, because the way I roll is that, for example, if my blush is matte, that's the time I put on highlight. But if my blush has like shimmer on it, I don't really like putting on highlight, because if my blush is already sparkly and this is sparkly, I'm gonna look like a total like disco ball. Plus, my face is so oily. Before, I hate the fact that my face is oily, but I've already accepted the fact that oil in the face helps you actually to like freeze the time when it comes to aging. So I'm very thankful for that too. So let me show you what the back looks like. Has a little bit of details there. You have a year to play with this palette, actually, which is weird because some of them, it says here like the matte bronze has 24 months, matte blush 24 months, shimmer bronze highlight 24 months, the contour, the highlight, shimmer highlight, the rest does not have anything with it. This is made in the USA and it does not have any creamy consistency if you are going to ask me. So now, I don't want to bore you guys, I am just going to directly put it on my face. So before I even begin, I just want to share to you guys this amazing set of lashes. I got this at AliExpress and they really do look like mink lashes. The lash band is a little bit thick, but I love it because it's not nylon. So it's not heavy, it's not sticking in the inner corner of my eye. That's what I love about this. So I'm just going to show it to you guys what it looks like once you put it on. To be completely honest with you, once I have discovered these set of lashes, I don't think I'm ever going to buy like the same exact expensive lashes that I have been buying from Allure. I'm gonna stick for this one for a while because it really does save me a lot of money. And I really love it. The quality is there. It's, oh my gosh, you can see it. Look, it even looks like Cocoa lashes. So I'm going to start off with these two contouring powder shades right over here. Sometimes I just use them individually, sometimes I mix them, so it just really depends on my mood, but either way they give me the exact same results that I wanted to. And what I like about this one is that it doesn't look ashy on me. I know some contouring powders, they kind of look like a little crazy on my face. It kind of looks muddy, but this one, I just really love it. So I'm just doing one side of my face first so you guys could see what it looks like with and without. So as you can see, the other side looks like it is chiseled and the other side looks like an egg. So what we're gonna do is that we are going to even that out. Now let's move on to the blush. So I'm just using my Real Techniques fluffy face brush and I am going to load my brush with that and directly apply that on the apples of my cheeks. Now what I like about the blush is that it just, I really love the bronzy, rosy undertone on it. I just really love it. I don't even know what to say about it, you know? I just really love this color. and I don't have to buy my shimmer mocha Havana that is like ridiculously expensive. And now moving on to the highlight, I'm just going to apply that under my eyes. Now when you look at this highlight, it kind of looks like it's boring, it's not yellow enough, but as you can see, it really made me look so awake, like really awake. So my agenda today is going to use all of the products in this palette so you guys at least have an idea. So I am going to apply the lighter highlight on the other side of my cheek and the other bronzy one or the darker one on the other side of my face. The brush is clean. I definitely used a towelette to clean that up, so please do not come for me. Now let's move on to the other side of my face. I am going to use this darker highlight. It's beautiful, looks super bronzy, and I'm just going to apply that on the highest panes of my cheeks. Look at that. So even though the formula of the highlight is not as creamy as, but you can see that it's working so damn well. This is the finished makeup look. I really enjoy this product. I think it's definitely the price. For that price point, I think it's super affordable. You will be getting a lot of product in this palette. Perfect for traveling. I really love the fact that the packaging is very heavy duty. The quality is there, price point, everything is there. The only thing that I wish is that I wish they made at least like 4 palettes or 3 palettes that will cater to other like women of color, for people who are very like light, because this one, to be honest, the people who will enjoy this are the people who are like has a skin tone like me, like NC30, NC35, NC40. But I just wish they would come up with more colors so that everybody could really enjoy it. I do get it, like they do have like mini kits for contour for different types of skin tones. However, this is such a good product that I wish they have made, you know, more palettes and different types of shades for different types of women. So that is pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you are still not part of the Sassy family, go ahead and subscribe. I upload on Mondays to Fridays. I will try my best. Now that we are done with all of the drama and all of the things that happen in my life, I will make the double the effort to make videos for you guys, because to be honest, I feel empty when I can upload in a day, because that's how I miss it. I really love everything that's going on in my life right now, whether it's not, I'm not living like the best life right now, but I love it because it's like, you know, life is teaching me like a lot of lessons. So hang in there with me, guys. Who knows, there could be like one day I would be doing this every day, hopefully. So see you guys next time. Bye.